Hey you all, in today's video I will be sharing with you guys how I made this delicious spinach with all this plenty orishe inside. Welcome back to another video with Video Williams TV. So guys, here are all the ingredients I'll be needing for today's recipe. I have my already chopped spinach, my roasted chicken, I have my dried catfish and boga fish guys. I also have my pepper, my onions, already chopped onions, and I also have my blended tomatoes, my seasoning cube, my salt, and I have my last ingredients on the list, which is goat meat, guys. Let's get started, guys. But before we do that, please do subscribe to this channel. Make this channel a popular one, guys. So guys, what I did first was to bring out my clean pot and I put some water in there. I also went ahead and had my goat meat, guys. Here is it, my goat meat. And I'll also be having my other spices too in the pot. Yeah, guys, the goat meat was actually from the freezer, guys. Anyway, it was already washed and cleaned. Now I went ahead and added my curry and my seasoning cube. I added my onion as well as my salt for taste, guys, and I put it on the heat to cook for about 15 to 30 minutes, guys. After 30 minutes, my goat meat was ready to be fried. I set it aside and I am going to start by frying. What I did was put some frying pan on the fire, some oil, and then to try if the oil was hot, I put some onion inside to see if the oil was hot enough, and then I went ahead and fry my goat's meat. I will not be frying the goat's meat too dry, guys. I just want to fry it a bit. So I'm going to leave it for about 10 minutes before I start to turn the meat. As you can see, guys, it was already brown. So I turned it once before I removed it from the frying pan, guys. So my goat meat is ready. I'm just going to remove everything from the frying pan. So guys, after removing all my meat from the pot, I put another pot in the fire, guys, and I added some oil to the pot. And when it was hot enough, I added my onions as well to fry for some few minutes, guys. Then I turned and I put my tomato inside the pot. Then I went ahead and stir it as well. As you can see, guys, that was already cooking, and so the aroma is so inviting, guys. So I split my seasoning cube in two and I added it to my sauce, and now I went ahead and added my roasted chicken as well as my salt to give it a taste. I gave this a stir, guys. I stirred it properly, and afterward I covered it to steam for about 3 minutes before I started adding every other ingredients, guys. And after a few minutes, I went ahead and added my chopped spinach in the pot and I gave it a stir. And I also added my dried catfish and my boga. I did my best to remove every bone from the boga, guys. Boga is actually filled with so much bones, and I have children. I wouldn't like them to swallow that. Anyways, I gave it another stir. Pepper, the other parts of seasoning cube. I'm just going to break that in there and give it a stir. Now I'm just going to add my meat water, guys, and leave it to cook for some few minutes before I check up on it. After a few minutes, guys, I added some more salt for taste. So guys, after adding my salt, I gave it a stir and then I went ahead and added my fried meat and then the unfried meat. So guys, thank you so very much for watching. I really do appreciate you. Please, if you haven't subscribed, please do consider to join this family by subscribing to this channel, like this video, and also share out the video. Thank you so much and see you all in my next video. Bye bye.